we're off towards Barnsley. Well, here we are, folks. Just outside Barnsley, looking for the control. There we are. We've made up smack on time. Look at that. What a bike. Alright.
What's it like?
The Himalayan?
Yeah.
Well, I've just made up 20 minutes on it, going across the 628.
Very good.
My arse is feeling it, mine. I've got an air hawk cushion on it, and it's alright actually. It's just sat in one place for such a long time. I've come from Woolley Bridge.
Woolley Bridge, alright, you want Woolley Bridge putting in, don't you?
Not that there's anything there.
Woolley Bridge is number 62.
315, that's it. What time is it?
Time's here.
39?
17, yeah.
Congleton to Woolley Bridge, how many miles?
From where, sorry?
From Congleton to Woolley Bridge, how many miles?
What's Congleton? Which is Congleton?
Royal Oak.
Oh, Congleton, 14, 25. Woolley Bridge to Webley, 25.
Have England lost yet?
Sorry?
Have England lost yet?
No, they've won.
2-0.
Damn it. That means we won't get our summer back. Right, time for some nosh. Cheers. Well, England have won, unfortunately. I know that sounds cruel, but there you go.
Well, what do we think to it?
Sound? Friendly lot. The Barnsley Bikers Club. Very interested in Webley. Unfortunately, I hope it don't come across them a bit rude, but I have to be a bit quick if people want to chat about her. But anyway, we've had a break, we've had some snap, rather nice little triple wrap thing, and now we're off to another virtual one, which is Rotherham. Continue east on A628 to M1 junction 37 south, exit at junction 34. That should be easy enough, even for me. Right, so we are now a bit behind again because we've had our break. More breaks to come, of course. Probably have more of a break when it gets dark. Well, folks, we're in Rotherham and we are 10 minutes ahead of schedule. 70 mile an hour down a couple of junctions of the M1 worked wonders. Let's go take second exit. 1, 2. That's it. I don't think I've ever been in or near Rotherham before. Nice church there. It's warm, I know that. Whew. Ah, I remember now. I remember looking at the maps. I've got to come back on myself and turn first left. Drummond Street, I think it's that one. Because then we're off to Gainsborough. Quick look at Rotherham. Very quick look. And Webley's doing fine. Here we are approaching Beckenham Village Hall. And the next one. 1923, I am about 23 minutes early.